near the back of your mouth, okay? So if you look at my mouth, I'm gonna do the letter G. Hola amigos, welcome to our Spanish pronunciation lesson. Today we are gonna review the letter G. The letter G in Spanish has two sounds. It's hard G and soft G. Let's start with the hard G, which is the hardest one of the two. Hard G sound is like the word go in English. Go, okay? And I'm gonna tell you first how you're gonna position your tongue. The back of your tongue should be against the soft part of your palate near the back of your mouth, okay? So if you look at my mouth, I'm gonna do the letter G. Okay? Right there in the back, all the way in the back, you see where my tongue will touch the palate like this, okay? Okay, so that's how you're gonna position your tongue. Similar to the pronunciation, when you use the letter K, or when you say cat in English, you're gonna try to say the letter G, which is the hard G. Keep your lips apart and relaxed. There is no lip involvement in producing the hard G sound. Airflow, as you release the sound, allow air to flow from your throat over the back of your tongue and through your mouth, okay? I'm gonna say the sound of the letter G, the airflow in Spanish, but only the letter, because it's important for you to know what is the sound of the letter by itself. Let's say, look at my mouth. G, G, G. That's the sound, the letter G. Letra G, we call it the letra G, but the sound is G, G. Okay. Okay, now that you know the sound, we're gonna try to make the letter G with vowels, okay? In Spanish, we pronounce the hard G with 3 vowels, okay? Vowel A, O, and U, or when it's followed by another consonant. So let's practice this. I'm gonna put the G with A, ga. I know I look weird, and it's kind of funny to be showing my mouth to the word. I mean, bear with me. I want you to get that sound correctly. Okay, so let's do this. Ga, ga, ga. That's G-A, ga, ga. Now let's do not J, G-O, go, go, go. Guys, don't say go. Okay, don't add the letter U at the end. No, just stop on the O. Go, go, not go. No, no, no. Go. Okay, muy bien. Ahora G, U. Gu, gu, gu. We will practice the letter G with consonants too, okay? But not right now. So now we will practice the hard G with words. I'm gonna say the words, 3 words, and then I want you to repeat it after me, okay? Gato, ganso, gavilán. Now, G-O, goma, golpear, gol. Now, G-U, güero, gusano, Guzmán. Okay, now let's add some consonants. I have a few, okay? So I'm gonna say one word and then you repeat it. Gracias. Grande. Globo. Gripe. Gris. Gruta. Grano. Grúa. Grillo. Okay, I'm gonna say the words one more time, but I'm gonna say the words faster. Gracias. Grande. Globo. Gripe. Gris. Gruta. Grano. Grúa. Grillo. Okay, how do you feel? Are you getting the pronunciation right? All correct? Let me know in the description below. Let's do now with phrases. Once again, I'm gonna say the phrase and I want you to repeat it after me. We're gonna do shadowing technique. I want you to try to mimic my exactly same sound and accent. I'm gonna start with the phrases. El gran gorila ganador vestía un guante gris y se escondía detrás de un gran globo verde. Número 2. Goga, la gata glotona, gateó hacia el jardín para cazar gusanos gordos. Muy bien. Número 3. El gallo galante cantaba su canción mientras el ganso ganador se engordaba guisando gusanos. How was it, amigos? Good? Okay, we're gonna move on to the soft G. Now I'm gonna tell you how to position your mouth to say the soft G. Keep your lips and mouth relaxed. Similar to the position when you exhale when saying ha in English. Allow a small stream of air to pass between your tongue and the front of your teeth as you say the sound. It should be a gentle, frictionless exhalation. Okay, the soft G sound is like the letter H in English. Also, we pronounce it like the X when we have the consonants E and I. Remember, the soft G is only for the letter when we have the letter E next to it or I. Okay. Now, let's see. Let's practice G-E. He. He. Okay, I'm going to try to move the camera close to my mouth. He. 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 Okay? Now let's say J-E. He. Let's see if you can see better. He. 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 Okay, now let's try to say some examples with the word, the whole word. Once again, guys, I'm going to say the word and then you're going to repeat it. I have 3. gente, acogedor, inteligente. Now, GI, girasol, gimnasio, paginar. Okay, now let's practice it with sentences. Giovanni, el genio de la guitarra, interpreta música gitana en su gira europea. How was it, guys? ¿Fácil o difícil? Let me know on the description below. But guess what? We are not done yet. In the spellings, G-U-E and G-U-I, the letter U is not pronounced. But when you see this diacritic mark, is needed to indicate when the letter U will be pronounced and should be pronounced, okay? In Spanish, we call it diaeresis. Diaeresis. That is represented with these two dots on top of the letter U. For example, pingüino, okay? If you don't see those two dots, then it will say pinguino, and that would be incorrect. Now, in some places, they do not put the two dots, which are the diaeresis, okay? They don't put it. That's why it's very important for you to know these ones, the one that I'm going to show you, because those are the most common words that we use the two dots on it, okay? And that means that you need to pronounce the letter U. More words. Desagüe, desagüe. Agüero, agüero. Bilingüe, bilingüe. Ambigüedad, ambigüedad. And lingüística, lingüística. And now that you have mastered the sound of the letter G, go practice these other consonants that are very important to sound like a native speaker. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Adiós, hasta luego.